everyone, welcome to my Crochet Nook. My name's Linda, and today I've got some happy mail. Yeah, it's from here in the UK. The lovely Emma messaged me and asked me for my address, and I'm excited to see what she sent me. So thank you so much, Emma. I really do appreciate it. So let's see what we've got. Whoops. Oh, she sent me some. Oh, wow. I haven't got this colour. Look, guys. Yarn. Oh, wow. All different shades of. So this one's King Cole. Cotton Soft. And it's. This colour is Iris. It's 100% cotton, 229 yards, 210 metres, 40 degree wash, no iron, no dry flat, 4mm hook. So this one's called Iris. This one is lavender, so you can definitely see the difference. She knows me so well. And this one's a crew. They look really nice together. And she sent me a card with a little butterfly on. I don't want to go into it. I'll let me just see if I can do this. I don't want to damage the butterfly. There we go. Let's see. See if I can read it. Hello, it says. Oh, isn't that lovely? Oh, thank you, Emma. She says, "Hi Linda, hope you don't mind me sending you these that I made. I knew you love purple, so I thought it was the right colours. I made them because you are a lovely kind lady who does all the lives and podcast. It must take some doing. You also do a lot of lovely giveaways too." Oh, thank you, Emma. So I thought I would make you something lovely for you. They're probably not perfect, but I hope you will like them and enjoy them. I don't mind if you show them on your next podcast. Well, this video is especially for you. Thank you so much, Emma. I can't wait to see what you made me now. Look at that, even wrapped in purple too. Oh, bless you. I'm going to just have to get into them. Oh, wow. Oh, wow, look at these. And made by Emma. Oh, look at these, guys. Aren't these fabulous? Oh, thank you so much, Emma. Aren't they lovely little coasters? Oh, they're fabulous. And look at this one. Oh, isn't that gorgeous? Oh, Emma, thank you so much, sweetheart. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I love them. Thank you. And they're so soft. And I so appreciate it. Thank you so much. Look at that, guys. Isn't that just awesome? You are a superstar. Thank you so much. I love them. You're a little star, honey. Thank you. So that's all from me for today. Thank you so much, Emma. Thank you to each and every one of you who like, subscribe, leave lovely comments to my channel. You do mean an awful lot to me, and I'm just absolutely delighted with this happy mail from Emma. Thank you. Take care, everyone. Stay safe, but more importantly, as I always say, be kind to you. And until the next video, bye for now.